they have to manage the people and they have to prepare the documentations, whatever the initial documents I told about the functional document or technical document, or prepare a project plan and see that whether the project is going on schedule. So these are the project management area. So that itself is another one. And then the key area is the development. Development, yes, you can specialize in .NET. You can go for, there is a C#. There are so many languages within the Microsoft, where nowadays mobile app is coming in. So you can have Microsoft mobile app, you can go for iOS app or Android app. So development is itself, there are so many subsections where you can specialize yourself. Okay, and there is a requirement analysis. See, requirement analysis is something you need to have a functional understanding. So if you go to a big bank like an ICICI, which is asking Gordon to come and do the project, okay, I cannot send a developer to get the understanding of the system. It is absolutely not possible. So you need to know that a person with strong functional knowledge, like a strong banking knowledge only, can go and talk to the ICICI manager. You and me, if you go to the ICICI manager and he talks about that this is the fixed deposit, this is the RD, where we cannot understand anything out of it. So requirement analysis, that particular portfolio requires the people you have a strong experience in domain. Okay, so you must have an experience in financials, or you must have experience in inventory management or supply chain management. Okay, or you have an experience in customer relationship management. So this is where domain experience comes into the picture. Okay, see, as a computer science or an IT, okay, so per se, the people in your academy you are taking into only the programming industry or in hardware, all this related, but not exclusively on the domain side. Okay, so domain side, what you have to do, you have to additionally equip yourself in the domain side. Because without domain knowledge, you cannot be a good developer. Please remember. Because when we say that, we cannot always talk about your binary language or this kind of a language kind of a thing. What we do is, when a project manager comes to the developer, we only give the real-time return. Okay, so we say that, I want to debit the money from the bank account, develop the screen. This is what the screen looks like. That case, you must functionally know that what is the kind of a process which is going at the back side of the screen. Then only you can become a good developer. So what is happening is now is, the people who are in the real-time code developer, they would have specialized only in .NET, or they would have specialized only in Java. So that people, what is the problem is, in the real time is, they need to depend on somebody to get the functional understanding of the system. So if you have a lack of functional understanding, then when the screen is developed and goes to the customer, it brings up a lot of issues functionally. Though it is programmatically correct. What you have written program is correct, but is it delivering what it is intended to do? At the end of the day, that it is not delivered, the customer is going to throw your project. Okay, so domain experience is also one of the very important requirements where you need to equip yourself during your courses of curriculum what you are studying. Okay, so again I am saying that's why internet becomes very handy. You can take any particular functional domain and you can browse it and get a lot of information with regard to any particular discipline which you want to go in for. Okay, so you can say that I am more interested in financial services. You go and read about a lot of financial information. Or if you are going for the supply chain information, you can again go on browse. Okay, you can talk to your friends who are studying in mechanical or other industries and get the information from them. Okay, just taking the see, that is what the problem is. If it is in a mechanical, it is a domain specific. Okay, if it is in electronics and communication, again domain specific. If you go to the civil engineering, it is a domain specific. But what is you are reading in computers and IT, it is not a domain specific. You are only reading a programming or language which is going to help the real-time experience. Okay, please understand the difference between the other disciplines and these computer science and IT. Okay, so you need to have some functional knowledge so that in your later, when you come as a programmer or developer, that will be really helpful to you. I am not saying that if you are not studying anything, you cannot survive in the market. No, I am not saying like that. What I am saying is, if you will be a better programmer, if you have a functional knowledge. If it is not, if you are lacking in that, you will not survive. So coming to this here, this particular one, this activity details output, this is sort of the project management visualization. So when project management area, we always say that any process, there is going to be some activity, and that activity we will attach what is the details for that activity, and output is the what is the process which is going to come out of it. Okay. So if you say there is a seminar, then what is the output? Maybe I listened today for 2 hours and learned something about the software development life cycle. So that is the output. Okay. So that is what the project management perspective. We review any activity, anything we list it out. We always put this kind of a diagram. We say that what kind of activity we are going to do, and doing that activity, what are the detailed process required, and finally, what is the output will come out of it. Okay. So in this particular activity, we say that when we say campaigning, when we do say campaigning outside, how we do it? The output is we prepare a lot of brochures, information brochures, or we can have mails. With the inland mail itself, we can put a lot of information about the company or what are the services we are doing on this. Or we can do letters on kind of a PowerPoint presentation. So all this we can be output which will be helpful to the campaigning with regard to the services we are doing in the IT. Okay. So role, who all is going to do this person? One is the sales person, marketing person, business analyst. Okay. These are the person who will do this pre-sales activity. However, the developer never comes into here. Okay, this is only the pre-sales activity. So a marketing person, like an MBA marketing or the people with some sales background, they will go to their main job is only to travel. So they will travel to so many customer places, meet the customers, okay, and use this any of the presentations, mailers or brochures, and show our expertise and try to build the project. Okay, and any salesperson will fix the target. Okay, you need to bring in $1 million revenue for this year, or it's going to be $500,000 for this quarter. So like this, we fix the target for a salesperson. So they will go to the market. In US, they have to extensively travel and meet many customers and try to build the project for them. Okay, so this is the pre-sales activity. The pre-sales activity 2, we call it as here request for proposal. Okay, so if many companies, even the public sector undertaking, you can see, suppose they are constructing a large bridge or something, then the first thing they will do is they will raise the RFP. Okay, so RFP is the definition is the request for proposal. So I need to construct a bridge. If you have, this is the specification. It is for 4 kilometers linking this road to another road. Okay, and if you are constructing a bridge, the strength is going to be this much. All this technical information with regard to the work which has to be carried out will be mentioned in the RFP document. Okay, so the customer will be, important thing is customer. Okay. So the terminologies are very important. There are 2 important terminologies. One is the customer, another one is supplier. Okay, customer is the person for whom we are providing the services. Okay, so for ICICI Bank, you are the customer because you are going into the ICICI Bank and you are utilizing the services of ICICI Bank, so you are termed as a customer. The next terminology is supplier. The supplier is the person who is going to supply the materials. Okay, but you are going and in a particular engineering college, you are getting steel, cement, everything from a particular company, then that company is the supplier for this engineering college. Isn't that? Because they are supplying materials, so you have to pay them. You have to pay. So this is called a supplier process. And whatever you are giving the services and they are going to utilize it, then we call it as a customer. Okay. These are the important terminologies we will often come across in the business process. So you need to understand customer, supplier, purchase order, sales order. That's another 2 terminologies, purchase order and sales order. Purchase order is given by suppliers, not customers. Suppliers. Because we, as a company, as engineering college, what we do, we give the PO to the suppliers, saying that this is the steel, this much of length, and this is the breadth of it, and they request this many strength. We give the PO to supplier, and supplier will supply the material. Okay, and sales order is that what we give to the customer. Okay, so when the customer says this, I need 25 refrigerators, we put the sales order. As a manufacturing company, suppose it's a Whirlpool is the manufacturing company, I book the sales order for a particular customer. Person that go, which will order for the Whirlpool, they call that I need 50 refrigerators for my branch at Keener. Okay, what they do? They create a sales order. So the manufacturing company will create a sales order, and based on the sales order, they will do the manufacturing process. Okay, so that is where I am saying this is all comes as a domain thing, which is not part of as a company. computer or IT. This is the main problem. Like we are again we are doing another